is Nathan Taylor, otherwise known as Sockmatician, and this is a video tutorial to accompany the Sockmatician's double knitted brioche ebook. This particular tutorial shows you how to work the simple left-leaning double decrease, and as you can see, I've already rearranged my next 3 pairs of stitches from their usual knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, purl order, so that they're sitting knit, 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 purl, purl, purl. All of their stitches have the yarn overs still in place. Now, the left-leaning double decrease is essentially looks like a slip, slip, slip knit on the front of the fabric, and it's a purl 3 together for the back. Those are the 2 corresponding decreases that need to be paired together to make everything look right. And this is how it's done. With these first 3 stitches, I'm going to slip the first stitch knitwise with its yarn over from the left needle to the right. And I'm going to slip the second stitch also knitwise with its yarn over from the left needle to the right. Then I'm going to slip the third stitch also knitwise, also with its yarn over. This one can be a little bit tricky to get into because it's been pulled across from its original position. Also knitwise from the left needle to the right. Then I'm going to slip all 3 of those stitches back purlwise this time from the right needle to the left. That can be done all together or individually, whichever is easiest for you. As you can see, all that's done is I've remounted those 3 stitches on the needle so they're sitting with their leading leg behind the needle rather than in front. The next thing to do is to work the needle into all 3 of those stitches with their yarn overs, going in and knitting them together through the back legs. That's knit 3 together through the back legs with the knit coloured yarn. Then I'm going to work my yarn over manoeuvres, which means taking the pearl coloured yarn to the back of the work, going over the top of the right needle and bringing it to the front, coming between the 2 needles. Then I'm going to bring the knit coloured yarn to the front, also between the 2 needles. Simple way of finishing this off is it's just a simple purl 3 together, this time through the front legs, just purling into all 3 stitches with their yarn overs using the pearl coloured yarn like so. And then I'm going to finish everything off by taking my knit coloured yarn to the back of the work. As you can see, what that's done is it's brought these 3 columns of stitches into one there, and the rightmost stitch is sitting on top of the 3, meaning this one leans to the left. And then if I turn the work over, you can see on the other side that I've got these 3 blue columns of stitches coming together into one, and the leftmost stitch is sitting on top this time, meaning this decrease leans to the right on this side. As with all the simple decreases, whether single or double, you do get the little colour blip separating these bands of colour that come together here, but they're very, very simple to work, and I think a little bit of colour blip is not too much of a problem. That's all you need to know about the simple left-leaning double decrease in double knitted brioche. Zip!